For those of you that have a yoga ball, this is a really amazing stretch for anybody that's in front of a computer all day, for anybody that has problems with their hands, their wrists, their chest being really tight, problems breathing deeply. A lot of these things are associated with subluxations or misalignments is what we call it in the upper back and the neck. Well, the way that we stretch our neck and our upper back every day is this stretch. Now, if you don't have a yoga ball, they're usually very inexpensive, but if you don't have a yoga ball, there's ways to do it off of your bed or off of a couch, but we'll give you the basic idea here. So she's just sitting in a normal position. She's going to extend backwards, allowing the ball to hold her body in this extension. And the reason why we're extending is because we're opening up the abdominal cavity, we're opening up the chest and her neck. Everything is going backwards. What does gravity do every day? Gravity pulls us forwards. Gravity is always pulling us forwards. That's why we get shorter every day. That's why people, when we get into our older years, they start going forward a little bit. And the reason why is because we need to open up. We need to extend ourselves. So as we extend ourselves, this is something you can do 5 minutes a day, every day, and prevent a lot of these issues from happening. So if you notice, this is where we want to be. This is where we get to as we're in front of our computers and our iPads and our phones every day. And this is how we progress. Let's not do this. Let's avoid this. This is a very simple way of avoiding that problem. So what Bethany's doing, again, she's opening her abdomen, she's opening up her chest muscles and her neck. Everything is an extension. This is flexion. We want to go into extension to allow our bodies to open up. I want to show you one other thing. So if you bring your front foot forward and then you allow yourself to bend, we're going to be stretching what's called the psoas muscle, which is the deepest hip flexor. You'll feel it right here in your midsection, okay? Same thing as you've relaxed into the stretch a little bit. You can move yourself a little bit, very gentle 11, 12, and 1, as we did before. Holding on to something, as I told you, is a very good way to stretch for stability. So not just going straight, but going from 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.